now we are discussing OpenOffice Writer. How can we create a new document in OpenOffice Writer? For that, we will click on File menu, then we will select New option. But there is a shortcut key for that is press Ctrl+N. Then you can see a new page. A fresh page will appear on the screen. How can you insert a new line in the same document? New line means in between two lines we can add one more line. How can we do that? First of all, place the cursor at the end of the line to which you want a blank line. Then press Enter key. Then you can see a new line is created in between that first two lines. Actually, each time you press Enter key, a new line gets inserted. Now, in a document, how can we select a text? What is meant by selecting the text? Here, look, notice the word and sentence that are selected. How can we do this? We can select text by dragging our mouse on the text. And also, we can select text by using combination of different keys on your keyboard. Let us see how can we select text by using the keyboard. To select characters to the right, press Shift plus right arrow key. To select characters to the left, Shift plus left arrow key. To select lines upwards, Shift plus up arrow. Select lines downwards, Shift plus down arrow key. Select a line till end, Shift plus end key. Select a line till beginning, Shift plus home key. To select the entire document, Ctrl plus A. To select a line, use Ctrl plus click. To select a paragraph, click on the paragraph. Or to select characters to the right, Shift plus right arrow key. To select characters to the left, Shift plus left arrow key. To select lines upwards, Shift plus up arrow key. To select lines downwards, Shift plus down arrow key. Select a line till end, Shift plus end. Select a line till beginning, Shift plus home. Select the entire document, Ctrl plus A. To select a line, use Ctrl plus click. To select a paragraph, triple click on the paragraph. Now how can we delete text? To delete text we can use delete key, but before using the delete key we have to select the text. Otherwise, when we press the delete key, the text at the right side of the cursor will get deleted. After typing a file, we may feel to change its appearance. At that time, we can use formatting tools in the formatting bar. How can do that? What is meant by this formatting? Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive. We can format our document by using formatting bar. Let us see which are the main tools that is available in formatting bar. First tool, that is bold, then italic, underline, align left, center align, align right, justified, numbering on off, bullets on off, font color, highlighting. These are the main formatting tools that we are using from the formatting bar. How can we make a text bold, italic or underline? To do this, first of all we have to select that particular text. After that, click on bold button. Then you can see the text becomes bold. Or if you press italic icon, the text gets italic. You can use underline tool also. If you use that tool, the text gets underlined. To do all these, we have some shortcuts. Let us see what are they. To create a new document, we can press Ctrl+N. To make the text bold, we can use Ctrl+B. To make the text italic, we have to press Ctrl+I. To make the text underlined, press Ctrl+U. Once more, to create a new document, press Ctrl+N. Make the text bold, press Ctrl+B. To make the text italic, press Ctrl+I. And to underline the text, press Ctrl+U. Now let us see. After preparing a document, how can we save that file? To save a file, first of all we have to click on File menu. Then click Save option. At that time, you can see the Save dialog box on the screen. Now in that box, type the name for your file in the file name box. After typing the name, you can click the Save button. Yes students, when we save a file in OpenOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer adds a period, that means a dot, and an extension ODT to the file. For example, if you have given the name as my file, then the full name will be displayed like this, myfile.odt. After the document is saved, the file name appears in the place of Untitled 1 on the title bar. Now, how can we close the OpenOffice Writer document? For that, click on File menu, then select Close option, or you can click on the Close button. Now, after saving and closing a file, how can we open that file? To open a saved file, you have to do the following steps. First, start OpenOffice Writer, then click on File menu, select Open option. At that time, you can see the Open dialog box. From that box, you have to select the file you want to open. Then click the Open button. You may also open a recently saved document directly in OpenOffice Writer. How can we do that? To open a recently saved document, first of all click on File menu, then select the Recent Document option. Then it will give you a list. From that list, you have to select the required file. Now, how can we print the document? To print the document, the same way, first of all select the File menu. Now select Print option. Then you can see the Print dialog box. From that, we have to select the Print button. After you complete all your work, you need to close the OpenOffice Writer. To close or exit OpenOffice Writer, follow the given step. First, click on the File menu, then select the Exit option. You may also exit from OpenOffice Writer by clicking the Close button on the title bar. Let's see some shortcut keys. To save the document, press Ctrl+S. To open an existing document, Ctrl+O. To close the document, Ctrl+W. And to print the document, Ctrl+P. Yes, Dear students, when we type from the keyboard, we must know some important points. First of all, the keys A, S, D, F and J, K, L on the middle row are called home keys. Before you start typing, place your fingers on the home keys. This is the start position of your fingers. Each home key has a key above and a key below. The given picture shows the keys above and below the home keys. Now let us discuss the questions given in page number 42. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. Toolbar is present below the menu bar. Question number 2. Shortcut key to create a new document is Ctrl plus N. To select a line till end, the shortcut key is Shift plus End. Now the exercise in page number 49, picture cues. Identify the icon used to make the text bold. Which is the right answer? Option A. So put a tick mark on that picture. Second, identify the icon used to make the text italic. Right answer? Option A. Question 3. Identify the icon used to underline the text. Right answer is option B. Now multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. OpenOffice Writer is or an dash software. OpenOffice Writer is an application software. B is the right answer. Question number 2. Dash means changing and arranging text in a document. Formatting. Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document. Third multiple choice question. The shortcut key to close document is option C, Ctrl plus W. Now fill in the blanks questions. Dash area is a large white space to type text. Document area. Document area is a large white space to type text. Dash the text before deleting it. Select. Select the text before deleting it. Third one. The documents you create in OpenOffice Writer are served in the form of dash on your computer. In the form of files in your computer. The open option appears on clicking file menu. File menu is the right answer. Now match the following. Ctrl plus click to select a line. One matches with C. Second, Shift plus up arrow to select a line upward. So 2 matches with A. 3. Ctrl plus A to select the entire document. D is the answer. Now fourth one, Shift plus right arrow to select letters to the right. 4 matches with E. Now fifth question, Shift plus home to select a line till beginning B. So the matching is like this. 1 matches with C, 2 A, 3 D, 4 E and 5 B.
Let us see you in the next session. Thank you.